Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing my first client's makeup. And first, to prime her face, I'm just going to be going in with the Becca primer, and I put that on the brows to keep them in place and stiff so that there won't be any flyaways. And now I am going to go in with my Kiss Professional brow pencil in the color Ebony, I believe, and I'm going to outline the bottom and top of her brow. Once I do that, I'm just going to fill it in the tail first, and then work my way up to the front of her brow. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to be using the eyebrow brush I purchased from them. And to make the brows a little darker at the end or at the tail, I'm going to be first shading that in with the Ebony Dip Brow, and then I'm going to work my way up the brow as well. And once you get to the beginning of your brow, instead of just shading it in, which would create a boxier effect, you're just going to want to go in an upward motion with the dip brow, and then use a spoolie to soften the edges. And then I will be doing that for both brows. Okay, so to clean up her brows, I did start off by using the P. Louise in Rumor 3 shade to outline the top and the bottom of her brows, but then I saw how I didn't like it basically, so I did go back in with the MAC N43 concealer, and to shade or to clean up her brows, all you want to do is just basically draw a line at the bottom of her brows. You can make it as sharp or as dense as you want, and then to buff that out, I will be using the Zoeva concealer buffer brush to clean that up. Okay, so to make the shades pop on her lid, I did go in with the P. Louise Rumor 3, and now I am just packing in a dark brown shade, which I will then go in with a more fluffier brush to line the edges. And then now I am just going to go ahead and cut her crease with that same P. Louise concealer. And to cut the crease, all you have to do is go in an angle from the corner of your eye and then drag that across the bottom of your lid. And once you look up as if you're looking up at the sky, it's going to create an outline that you can use to go like as your direction for creating that crease. Okay, so I did pattern out the edges of that concealer to make it more blendable, and now I'm just going in with a pretty gold look that I believe I got out of the Be Perfect Carnival palette. And now I am just going to go ahead and use my NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and create a wing. Or no, I'm not going to do a wing on her, but just to create a more thicker eyeliner for her. And for the eyeliner, I did want to mention that since I didn't create a wing, I'm just going to be going in with a little of a black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to soften the edges on that to make it more blendable. Next, I'm going to be going in with my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and then I'm just going to pop on some lashes that I have from Miss Kiss, some 3D lashes. So now I am priming her face with the Too Faced primer. So the foundation that I used was the Maybelline Super Stay. Next, I am going back in with my MAC NC43 concealer, and I'm going to put that under her eyes, in the center of her forehead, down the bridge of her nose, right above her cupid's bow, which is below her nose, and then in the center of her chin. And I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques concealer brush to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to use that to contour right up in her cheek area and above her head, as well as the side of her nose. And to set her face, well, her concealer, I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup. And to set the contour, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case Bobby palette. So to sharpen up her contour, I'm going back in with the Sacha Buttercup, and I'm just going to place that right underneath her contour. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Stay tuned.